little bit of apple cider vinegar. Right. Let me use everything. Apple cider vinegar. Get that. See that? Right, that rub sweet. Right, that rub sweet. Rub everything. And what it does is take out those chemicals inside of it. If there's any form of jam there, try its best to take down them jams. That makes sense. Yeah. PQ. Just damn it. Damn it, is what I'm saying. Damn it. Halfway to the one, two, right? First one. First one. A little bit of salt. You don't add too much salt. A little bit of pepper. No spice to it. But you know what we're going to do? We should do it. See that? You don't want too much of it. Just a little bit should do it. And then you give it a deep rub. Give it a deep rub. You see the difference, right? This one, see the difference, right? This one, the side. And don't forget what I told you. Don't forget to always clean. Alright, you don't want it too much. I'll do it again. Alright, like that side. You're trying to cook, you're trying to fry some oil, or you're trying to fry, no, you're not frying oil. If you're trying to fry anything, one thing I tell people to do is to make sure because you want your vegetable oil to be in the right temperature before you fry, get something wooden like this, right? Just something like this. What you're going to do is you're going to put it inside of it, and if you see it's bubble, that means it's ready to go. So right now you see it's not bubbling like that. See a little bit, but you wanna have the right temperature, if that makes sense. You see that? You see how it did bubble a little bit. Let's see again. You see that? That's how you know you're ready to go. That's how you know you're ready to go. Means I'm gonna put. So what is it? I just added a little bit of flour to it. once you're done, this is where you're gonna start adding your wings. And you don't forget, you have to mix it with the cream. See that? You mix it frequently. You know what I mean? So we're just gonna let it do its thing. Yeah, guys. Right now I'm gonna put this guy, you see the same one. I'm gonna put it aside because we are gonna create another policy for it. The policy, just watch. I can't reveal the secret right now. Now this guy here, we're gonna fry it and we're gonna put it aside. And don't forget, we're creating a different policy for it. Don't forget, we have another round, and we're just gonna do it one time and yeah, get it right.